Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm trying to learn SQL completely from ChatGPT. I just got off of a lesson on how to use the select keyword. I had some problems running the code and I had to ask ChatGPT to have some help, and it was just like me forgetting that I had to use single quotes and just my tired brain failing. Anyways, it just asked me to try out the new code, which obviously did work, so I'm gonna go tell it worked and see how it wants to approach the lesson afterwards. So it's asking me now if I'd like to proceed to updating and deleting data. I think I'm pretty fine so far, so I'm just gonna ask to proceed. So basically you start with an update command, which basically tells SQL what table you want to edit, and then basically it's just saying set the city to New Phoenix where the title equals Phoenix University. And also you need to use the where clause to specify which records, or else everything will be updated. And then you can just say delete from school where title equals UC Berkeley in this case. So this syntax is pretty simple, but unfortunately I need to refill in my entire table because I accidentally killed all my data from last time. So I guess I'm just going to create this by scratch really quick. I cannot remember stuff for some reason. I have to look it up. Okay, that created our table. Now we need to insert some data. I'm just using my old data because I'm too lazy. Last time when I created my data, it took me forever to even come up with school names. Oh, and this is like my broken code when I still use double quotes. And now I need to work on updating and deleting. So I would first say something like update school, and then I'll say set, let's change our Boston University to something else. We'll just, I don't know, call it Boston University. Or in this case I can even say where city equals Boston. Doesn't matter like which way we're doing it. Will this work? Oh my god. I'm stupid. I have to say set title. I'm not sure why I just said set, but now that should work and create the update. I'm too stupid to figure out how to view my data. And then the next command would be to delete. So all I have to do is say delete, then from school, and I can just say where. Let me think of something. City equals Phoenix. I'm just gonna copy my JSON and view it because that's the only way I can think of doing it. And then I should have a new table. And what would be different about it is we have Boston University instead of MIT, and then we would be missing a row because we got rid of University of Phoenix. So yeah, that worked pretty well. I did that and it worked. I should have probably saved my code so I could show it. Maybe it will ask me for it. So now apparently my next steps would be combining my current knowledge, for example retrieving data using select, and then update the data if necessary, and then delete records that are no longer needed. I'm not sure how I could check like an if statement. The SQL hasn't taught me about that. It's asking me if I'd like to dive into some other stuff or just something specific, but I'm just going to tell it that you're the teacher, you decide what to teach me next. Okay, we'll be learning about joins, and a join is a SQL operation that combines data from two or more tables based on a related column between them. Joins are incredibly useful when your data is spread across multiple tables, but you need to bring it together to answer a specific query. So there are inner joins and left or outer joins. Inner joins retrieve records that are matching in both tables, and outer joins, or left outer joins, retrieves all records in the left table and the matched records in the right table. If there's no match, null values are for columns for the right table. Okay. Maybe I need to see it in action. I am so confused for some reason. Should I ask for a better explanation, or should I try reading it through? Because maybe I didn't read it through completely the first time. Oh, I think I know what an inner join is doing. So basically, we have our courses. In this case, our courses can have a certain course ID to a course name. And what we want to do is the students only have access to their course ID, but we want to create a table that also shows that course name corresponding to the ID, and that's why we basically merge the tables. So this is its assignment though is the exact same thing as earlier, which is a little annoying. I would prefer an example, not just exactly with course ID and course names, because we just did that, and it's probably gonna make me just want to copy and paste everything. But I guess I can still try. Wait, why can't I even remember how to insert data? This is so boring creating all this. I mean, this is good practice, just getting a syntax down. So I think I would do like select student dot course ID, and then course dot course name, and then okay, I don't remember at all. And I guess I want to select the student name because I don't know, that's just what I want for this third table. Finally, I can say an inner join course ID. I have no idea. Oh, I also forgot to say create table. I do not love this ID. It is hard to see where things are going wrong. Why this no work? Well, I screwed up a lot of stuff. I feel like I did quite a bit of stuff today, so I want to work on this more tomorrow. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hopefully you subscribe. Like always, bye-bye.